I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices so pairing goes smoothly. Turn on Bluetooth and keep the devices close. Weak signal causes dropouts. Open the app on the host and the client, then accept prompts for Bluetooth and input permissions because the app needs those to simulate keyboard and mouse. Once done, put the client into discovery mode in the app and make the host visible. This immediate action avoids time wasted in later steps and ensures the app can find and connect to the other device. Now you pair and configure inputs so controls feel natural. On the host, tap the client device name to initiate pairing. Accept any PIN or confirmation on both sides. Once paired, open the app settings to choose keyboard layout and mouse sensitivity. This adjusts cursor speed and key mapping to match your workflow. Next, map common shortcuts like copy and paste for quick access. Make sure to save settings. These steps prevent mismatches and let you use the keyboard and mouse immediately without repeating. Finish by testing and securing the connection so it stays reliable. Open a Notes app and type, then move the cursor to check responsiveness. If there's lag, reduce sensitivity or close heavy apps to free resources. Enable Auto Reconnect and allow the app to run in the background so it won't drop when the screen sleeps. If something goes wrong, restart Bluetooth, repair the devices, and confirm permissions again. This last troubleshooting tip solves most issues quickly and gets you back to work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.